everyone. For those that are new, I'm Brittany and welcome to my channel. I am currently making myself some iced coffee right now, and I thought I'd just do the intro now because I just finished working out and I decided just to do a day in my life, or just vlog, I guess. Not really a day in my life, but just I guess vlog the morning at least, because I haven't been feeling motivated. I feel like this happens to me like every month, I guess, you know, where I just don't feel motivated at all. And I just kind of need to take a break from everything. But now I'm trying to get out of my funk and back into my regular routine, even though it hasn't really changed as much. But yeah, anyways, I am making myself an iced coffee. I use my oat milk that I have here. So good, literally the best. I just finished it. It needs to go out. Add my ice here. But yeah, I'm just trying to get my life back on track, or back into my daily routines. And I think this vlog is mostly just going to be me cleaning up, just because my room is an absolute disaster. Like, I'm usually good at keeping it clean, except for when I like fall into these unmotivated little traps that my body has. Then I physically I don't do anything. So, trying to get back on track here. Anyways, I add also this Bliss almond. It's plant-based, so good. Oh my goodness, it is literally the best thing. I'm so happy I found this. Or my mom, I don't know who, I think my mom found it, and it has literally just changed my life, because coffee is like a whole new thing now. So good. So if you are dairy-free and like coffee, definitely suggest this. Definitely. Anyways, I'm gonna go enjoy my iced coffee. I'm gonna have to go wash my face later because I haven't done my morning routine yet. At least I got up and I like worked out, you know. That's one thing I am trying to work towards. But anyways, I need to cheers to I don't know what to cheers to. It's okay to not be okay sometimes, even though it's like that kind of sounds really deep, but it's like okay to be in a funk sometimes, like, you know, as long as you snap back from it. And I'm trying to snap back from it. I've been literally going down the deepest rabbit hole with BTS. Oh, for those that know them, oh, I just love, like, I'm not like, yeah, I'm like fangirling, not because like I think like I want to marry any of them, but like it's like I don't know what it is about them. I just love them. Like, I just love them. So I'm just fangirling, and I've just been literally going down the deepest, darkest, biggest rabbit hole of life, like literally clicking anything just to watch. Like, oh, I have a problem. So that's where my motivation has been going to, instead of my daily routine. It's been going to watching, binging YouTube and all that stuff. So cheers to being not motivated sometimes, but snapping back from it. So, because every day is a new day, so we're trying to make it a good day. And sometimes getting up is good enough. So, anyways, today's video is getting my life back on track. I hope you guys like it. If you haven't already, remember to like and subscribe. But I'll catch y'all later when I'm doing something with my life. I look a mess. I look like a hot mess. Ew. I feel like I say this in every single video, like I just look like a hot mess, but that's my life, so. Anyways, I will catch y'all in a bit. I'm gonna go have some breakfast right now though. I have a headache. Wee. I have a problem. Alrighty, I need to clean my room now. Yeah, but I'm filming now, so I'm actually gonna do it. This is so bad. I have such a headache though. I should expose myself and show you guys what my room actually looks like because it's a disaster. I need to vacuum. I need to put away clean clothes. I need to throw dirty clothes in the hamper. Like, it's just bad. Like, ugh, let me show you guys. Okay. Anyways, this is what my room looks like. Da-da. Doo-doo. Got little Roxy laying over there. Doo-doo, 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 doo-doo. It probably doesn't look like much, but there's like clothes. I need to put all those away, put shoes away. It's just a hot mess for me. So that is what we're gonna work on right now. Just tidying up my living space. I definitely need to vacuum. I feel like I haven't done that in a while. I definitely need to do that. So I'm gonna start cleaning. I tried to do my hair better. Didn't really get anywhere, so it's a hot mess. I need to wash it. But anyways, let me start to clean and put away clothes and just get my life back on track. Okay. Let's clean. On 3. Let's clean. I'm finally done putting all away my clothes. What did I just say? Okay, I'm finally done putting away all of my clothes. Thank goodness. I still need a vacuum in here because it's absolutely disgusting. This floor is gross. But there's this part of my room, which I don't know what's happening right now. Like, let me show you. This is like the part of my room where I just, you know, toss everything that I'm not using. So my shoes are just everywhere. I have a bag that's full of clothes that I need to unpack, even though I haven't gone anywhere. I have my ring light just sitting over there, a bag of clothes I should probably get rid of. And yeah, so this side needs a lot of help, and then I just need to vacuum this gross floor. And that honestly should be it. I wish this video was more, but I just don't really do much, you know, and this is one thing that really needed to be done. And so I decided to film because I haven't done that in a while, I feel like. I've been watching BTS nonstop. They have like this, I think it's to me it's like YouTube. It's the V Live, and they have like all their videos on here, and it's just so funny. Even though they don't speak English, it's just so funny. So I've just been binge watching that, and I'm been binge watching it while cleaning up and filming. So that's what I have been doing. So I'm gonna get back to that. Alrighty, finally done vacuuming my room. My room is basically clean now. I'm actually happy about it. Finally. That needed to be done for like basically a week now. That is really my daily routine. Not daily because I don't obviously clean every day, but there's really not much that I do right now just because there is nothing to do. I don't really leave my house. Like, it's pretty bad, but that's just life right now. So the rabbit hole that I've been telling you guys about, that I told you guys about earlier, I'm about to show you guys. So this is BTS, and this is like their little, it looks literally like YouTube, but this is actually V Live, and this is them. It's like different videos of either them and the behind the scenes, or them doing like literally it looks like YouTube stuff. Like they play games together and all that stuff. So it's so funny. Obviously it's in Korean, but I just like, I love it. I love them. Each one of them has like something different about them that I really like. But anyways, if I want to know if like there's someone out there that follows me or subscribe to me that actually watches them, because then we can obsess and talk about it together, because like I feel like I need someone to talk to this about, because I have no one. But yeah, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. It's not really much. I understand if you're still watching to this point. But if you haven't already, remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!